Mimi naitwa Samson Mugambi Collins, tafuta kiti ya ubunge ule upande wa Kiambu hadi congratulations to Caleb Amisi. We look upon you as one of the youth leaders who brings to power at White. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hello, PM Party. Simuselemana, PM Party. PM Party. This is how much people love Caleb. You know, the name Caleb, last time I checked, is a Hindi word. And it comes from 2-1. The prefix is, then to meet us or like the heart of God. Kijana mzuri sana. Does he have the heart of God? Unajua, unaona wengine huko nje, instead of serving as leaders, they are busy sacrificing us. When they see the deals of the East and the West, they will not blame. You've seen the things they've done to our economy. They will be very fast to sacrifice the nation for their own stomach. When we look